4 of them?
These 2 right here.
Okay,
These two. Yeah.
And not the ones on the other side.
Get those out. Yeah, that one. And then the one to the left. Okay, you gotta ratchet it the other way. You gotta go the hard way to get it to break loose. Alright, Carson's getting the relay out.
You making a video?
Yes. Here, let me help you. Watch. Oh, we need a different bit. Hold on. Alright, get in there, Carson. Alright, Carson's going to be undoing the 2 screws that hold the headlight motor relay in. There you go.
Oh yeah, I see it moving.
Yep, now you got to ratchet it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's twisting.
Alright.
Oh yeah, that's way more easier.
Alright, get them out. You got 1?
Yeah, after I twisted it, once I twisted it, it was easy.
There you go.
Oh yeah, this is the... Oh yeah, I think after you get the first one, the second one's easy.
Okay, and get it out.
Hold up. I got it.
Got it? Yeah. All right, let me get in there.
Hold
Pull that out.
Wait, how do you pull it out? I pull it out.
Reach up. It should flop right out.
Oh, yeah, that thing?
Oh, hold on, let me get in there. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, yeah, I see.
There's our relay. And see, there's our wire. See how it's got the greens?
Yep.
That's from the switch. All right, here, come on out. Let me get that out. Light relay. And there's our factory breaker. So we're gonna test our power here and see what in the hell we got going on. And we have trigger voltage from our headlight switch, but we have no voltage from the breaker. So we need to figure out why. All right, so Carson and I have made a new positive lead due to this being DOA. So we're gonna wrap that with tape and tuck it. And then this will go right here. And I gotta hook up the other end. I'm gonna go right off the starter relay, constant hot, which is, it's already heat shrunk and soldered up there as well. We just gotta tighten it up. All right, Carson, hit it. All the way out, one more. Woo! All right, turn them off. All right, one more. Yeah. Turn them off. Beautiful. There's no post, huh? They got like 6 posts and all kinds of stuff.
Right here.
What are we doing right now? We're cruising the Imperial.